Niecy's Closet is back once again to show you how to do a front post double crochet and back post double crochet, of which I'll be showing you how to do a winter cowl. The first thing you do to do a back post double crochet, you wrap, you go to the back of the post, pull through under the double crochet, pull through two, pull through two. I'm going to show you once again. You wrap, go in back of the post, pull the yarn through, pull through two, pull through two. Now, you're going to wrap to do a front post double crochet. You're going to wrap and you're going to take your hook and you're going to pull the front of the post. This is a post. This double crochet is called a post. You're going to pull the yarn through and you're going to pull through two, pull through two, because you're double crocheting. You're going to wrap, you're going to take your hook and you're going to go to the front of the post and you're going to double crochet, pull through two, pull through two. Now, we're going to do a back post double crochet, and you're going to wrap, you're going to go to the back, you're going to go behind to the back of the post, and you're going to double crochet, and you're going to pull through two, pull through two. You're going to wrap, you're going to go to the back of the post, you're going to go behind and go to the back of the post, you're going to pull the yarn through, pull through two, pull through two, because you're double crocheting all the time. Once again, front post double crochet. You're going to wrap, you're going to go to the front of the post, and you're going to double crochet, and you're going to pull through two, pull through two. Wrap, take your hook, go to the front of the double crochet post. You're going to pull the yarn through, pull through two, pull through two. Remember, you're double crocheting all the time. We're going to do a back post double crochet, wrap, go to the back, go behind the post and through, and double crochet, pull through two, pull through two. Wrap the yarn around, go to the back, pull the yarn through, pull through two, whoop, pull through two. We're going to do one more front post double crochet. You're going to wrap the yarn around the hook. You're going to go to the front and you're going to double crochet. Pull through two, pull through, oh, pull through two. You're going to wrap, go to the front of the post, pull the yarn through, pull through two, pull through two. And this is how you do a front post, back post double crochet. And practice doing this stitch, because I'm going to show you how to make an awesome cowl. And I can't wait to show you. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And please like, comment, subscribe. I want to know you're enjoying me, as I enjoy the fact that you are tuning in. Until next time, bye.